It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. Before I show you this adorable craft I'm going to show you made out of spoons, I just mentioned to 2 subscribers that sent me in pictures of me, and they're adorable, and I just want to show you them. So they're so cute. And one comes from Naya. The second one comes from Olivia. They're very adorable, and I just wanted to make mention of the 2 pictures. I had them framed and put on my wall because that's how much I love them. Okay, so this is the project I plan on doing with you. It's made of spoons. It's light. It won't show up too much right now because I have my lights on, but it is made with a little battery charged light, and it's really cute, and I thought it'd be great for this summer. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the base part is these cups. I used hefty, but it doesn't matter. See-through cups. I'm going to cut down here about halfway, because what happens is the other cup will overlap, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Good. And so I'm going to get rid of this spot. That's all garbage, but as you can see, it'll go like that. So that's the base of it. And inside the base, I might as well show you this first. I put a little glue dot here to stick it, but you don't have to. It goes down here. See? And I'll show you. I'll turn it on. And this base goes like that. That's the start of this. I did a little centerpiece. So I took the lid off of a water bottle. I'll get rid of the water bottle. And then I took the yellow paint. Okay? And I'll show you the step that I used to paint this really quick. So I took this and just painted it and dried all of it up to look like this. Now this was about 2 coats. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some pink in, like this color of pink. They're all acrylic paints, yellow and pink. And I took the pink paint and painted the center of this. Again, I did it about 2 coats, just so you see the yellow around. It looks kind of cool for the centerpiece for this. I took a dotting tool and a small one. I did this and I dotted the yellow. It looks like the center of a flower. And it'll look like this. And this is all dried, so it's perfect to use right now. So what I did with this was, you're going to use a lot of hot glue for this project, so just giving you a warning. We're going to glue it around the rim. Stick this in the very center of this plastic cup. Now the next part you're going to do is you're going to need quite a bit of spoons, because I used over 48. I bought spoons like this at the dollar store. It only cost me $1.25, but you need a little pack. It's about 70 spoons roughly. So you're going to take a spoon, and this is my next step. I'm going to show you. So then I took the spoon and I cut all the handle part of it off, and I made a whole bunch of them. So let me show you the first step we're going to do. You're going to do one at a time. You're going to take the top and kind of overlap it of the center petal. So we're going to go down here and we're going to go here. So it just goes over top. Here, you might have to add a little bit here to connect it. And you go and you overlap. Okay? Now I'm going to do the last row on here for you. So let's show you this. I put it to the edge right here, and again throughout the whole thing. So as long as you let it sit for you, it'll be much better. Then you take some Mosh Posh. I'm not going to do it here because it's going to go outside, but to seal it, because that's acrylic, it needs a sealer to protect it from outside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did so, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. For now, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.